Hey there and welcome back. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you subscribe and ring that bell if you want to be notified when our videos do go live. This helps other equestrians just like yourself find our products, find our videos, and learn more about the Blanket Safe line. So today what we're doing is we are going to be diving into some of the products that we have available and what they can be used to wash. We get this question all the time and we are happy to answer it. So let's get started. So I feel it's only fit that we start by talking about our washes with the wash that comes in the widest variety of scents that can wash the widest variety of products. So the original wash can wash everything from your fly sheets, to your horse blankets, to your back on tracks, to your saddle pads, to your wraps, to your overreach boots, pretty much anything washable except for wool. So it can wash your fleece. We don't recommend it for your wool washing. We do have another wash for that. Now let's get started on our original washes. So this is the original wash that I have to demonstrate for you today. This is the Sweet Cherry. This wash also comes in a French Lavender, a Fresh Linen, a Zesty Lemon, and a Free and Clear. If you're somebody that doesn't like any scents or dyes in their laundry products, make sure to check out the Free and Clear. It's the same awesome cleaning power, except you don't have any of the excess dyes or scents. So this is the original wash. Again, it can wash the widest variety of products for you, and it does it safely. So there's no detergents and you use cold water. You should never be using detergents that can be found in even your Free and Clear detergents or hot water on your horse blankets. Not only will it destroy the fabric, but it will destroy the waterproofing and make waterproofing treatments impossible to reapply. So avoid the use of hot water and detergents. Use Blanket Safe. It works best in cold water and there are no detergents. It's everything you need in one bottle. So going back to the fleece and the wool, you can wash fleece in this. It will get it very clean. But if you're looking to just refresh your fleece, make it moisture wicking and soft like it was when you first got it, make sure to check out our fleece and wool wash. The fleece and wool wash is perfect for washing all of your natural fibers. So sheepskin, your wool, whether it's a cooler or a saddle pad, make sure to check out the fleece and wool wash. You can use this by hand, you can use it in a machine. If you're using it in a machine, make sure not to allow the machine to do the spin cycle. That will tangle up and knot all the fibers, but I'll put a link down below with one of the combs that I like to use to brush out the wool, which I occasionally have to do when wool products come in that are already kind of matted up and gross. So this is the fleece and wool wash. It's fantastic. The neat thing about the fleece and wool wash is it's really spread into the human use as well. Now all of these products can be used for your own laundry. The fleece and wool wash has been used by groups of individuals that are restoring maybe their grandmothers or customers old crocheted or knit blankets, and they've been washing blankets by hand and using this product to keep their blankets safe. So that is absolutely incredible, and we love to expand our variety as well. The next, if you are washing in a communal machine, I think this is so important to prevent cross-contamination, whether it's from human to human, horse to horse, dog to dog, however it is that you're washing. The Ultra Wash. The Ultra Wash has antibacterial properties just as the rest of the washes do, but it also has antiviral and antifungal properties as well. So it not only will clean your items just as the rest would, but it also makes sure to clean the machine during those wash cycles to prevent any cross-contamination from animal to animal or human to human. So the Ultra Wash is perfect for those washing in communal machines, whether it's your barn or the laundromat. Do yourself a favor and do everybody else, making sure you wash the machine. And it's going to be during the use, not after the use, but during the use. It's fantastic. It's used by a lot of laundries and we highly recommend it just to prevent any cross-contamination. The next wash that I don't have here for you today that I highly recommend is our fly sheet wash, and I'll put a picture here for you. The fly sheet wash we recommend for fly sheets and products without waterproofing or those that are not natural fibers. So don't use on your wool, don't use on your turnouts. It is made from natural cleaning boosters, which help to get those notoriously dirty fly sheets much cleaner. Again, there's no bleaches, there's no oxy-powered ingredients in there, so you're not going to have to worry about residue or any kind of bleaching of the fur or skin when you turn your horse out in the sun. So that is fantastic to use for your fly sheets to get them a little extra clean. The next product that we have to go with our fly sheet set that came out last year as well is our fly sheet spray. This is the fly sheet fly spray, which instead of applying the fly spray to your horse, where the scent really doesn't last long because the horse's natural enzymes break it down and break it apart, this goes onto your fly sheet itself. So you spray this right onto your fly sheet once a day, and it keeps the flies and the bugs at bay. I didn't intend for that to rhyme, but it came out pretty well. So the fly sheet spray is made from all natural ingredients and oils, very few chemicals, so it is safe to spray around children on your fly sheets. You can spray it on your horse, but it's not intended for that use. So the purpose of all these products is to make sure that we are lowering the chemicals and lowering the chemical irritation possibilities. So the fly sheet spray. So those are just the range of products that we have to offer you. If you're looking for our waterproofers, I will tag a video above here to talk about some of our waterproofers and some expectations. Other than it, if you have any questions, if you want to let me know what you're using, comment that down at the bottom. Tell me your favorite scent and what you are washing with our Blanket Safe products. Until next time, friends, make sure you're staying safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful ride, and we will talk to you soon.